Happy Friday, my cash cow family. Haven't done one of these videos in a while, but here we go, guys. I just want to show you how much we made on my Shopify store, and I'm going to go over like 3 different steps and show you guys how you can do this yourself. So I'll flip it around and we'll get this Shopify tutorial started. All right, kids, before I begin this epic Shopify video, if you've never seen this beautiful face before, I've been making money online for close to 25 years, maybe even over 25 years. Who knows at this point in juncture? But I've made my money from Shopify, affiliate marketing, drop servicing, blah to the blah. So if you could give me a little like and subscribe if making money on Shopify or any of the other methods that I just mentioned interest you, yes, again, please like, subscribe, all that good jazzy shibbity-baba. Anyway, guys, so I know it's the I know it's only the 30th of the month, but I want to show you guys what we did. So our total sales, like the thumbnail stated, on Shopify is $10,627.23. I'll just refresh that so you guys know I'm not lying. And again, if you are new here, I'm very transparent. I can show you that sales number, but that's not profit. And that's what most of the people don't show you, exactly what it takes to generate that. So I'll go over my ad spend and what I had to give Printful, their cut, and all that good stuff, guys. Again, this is going to be a short video. I really just want to show you and tell you guys that if I can do this, you guys can do this. I don't know why you guys haven't taken an action on the 3-month Shopify trial that I've offered in the past, but that's still available, and a link for that will be in the first link in the description and the pinned comment. So basically it's 3 months of Shopify or 90 days for $1 a month. So that's $3, guys, for 3 months of Shopify. I know a lot of you don't have any money, and I totally understand. If you can't afford $3 for 90 days of Shopify, I don't know where to tell you to go. So anyway, guys, let me, this is going to be a quick video. Again, I just wanted to show you guys 10,600, and I can almost guarantee you that that will be over $11,000 by the end of business today. So let me just dive right in here, guys. Again, it's going to be a short video. I've shared this on my live videos, but none of you guys are ever on there. I don't know why, but is what it is. So anyway, all right, so 10,627. Okay, we're going to have to do a little math here. We'll just say 10,600. How's that? So we'll go over to Printful, which is where I design my products, etc., and where you guys could too. And another thing about Printful and Print on Demand and Shopify, guys, there's really no excuses. I've given you a 3-month trial, but with AI and all the places that you can generate images for your products, it's the easiest and best time to be doing this, guys. You just have to, like I always say, get in and take action. Just start. Just start. Please, just start. Let's go. I'll refresh just real quick. Refreshing. We'll go to this month. Apply. And as you can see, guys, this is what we've made in profit. But that's not pure profit because we have to go over to Google and see how much we've spent in ads thus far. Let's do that. Bada boom, bada bang, 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 bang. This month. Okay, so this is I'm going to refresh this again. This is what most of the gurus about Shopify, they don't show you these numbers, guys. 4,600? No, let's just say 4,900. 4,900. 4,900 minus our ad spend, which was 1,150. Hang on, let me get on my calculator on my phone. 4,900 minus 1,000. And I haven't done this, so I don't even know. Equals $3,750, guys, and that's pure profit. And again, if you don't follow this channel, I'm not a rocket scientist. I understand I look like one, but I'm not, guys. You can all do this. And the way that the world is going right now, you better figure out real quick on how to make money online. I'm just going to say that. And again, if you are new here, I am getting the heck out of America. I leave on August 8th, and I'm moving to Puerto Aventuras, Mexico, which is between Cancun or Playa del Carmen and Tulum. It's about an hour and a half from the Cancun airport. But this is how I'm able to live the life that I live, guys. This is how I'm able to go and become a digital nomad, basically off of Shopify and obviously my affiliate marketing, which I make, $2,000 a month at least with my affiliate marketing efforts. So that's more than enough money, guys. That's close to $6,000. And again, guys, I'm no different than you. I just urge you to take action, not just with Shopify, but with anything that you do in life. You just have to keep moving forward. So I think I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I just wanted to come on because a lot of you, I've been live like the last 7 days in a row or something like that, a lot. And I only get like 2 or 3 people on there. So I thought I would just come on and make a quick video and wish you all a happy Friday and share that Shopify trial link with you. And hopefully click on that, and I'll see you guys soon. I will be making the video about Builderall and affiliate marketing in the coming days. So anyway, have a wonderful 4th of July, actually. I forgot about that. When is that? I don't know what day it is, but have a wonderful and safe 4th of July if I don't see you before then. Love you all. Have a great day. Peace.